Here are 3 signs that indicate you might need a hearing test. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Maria Morrison, audiologist, and I am your expert in hearing healthcare. There are several signs or symptoms one might experience that indicates they need a hearing test. Here are the top 3. So first is you hear people speak, but you don't understand what's being said. This is incredibly common for someone with a hearing loss. You're having a conversation, you know they're speaking, but you just didn't quite get the clarity of what they were saying. You should definitely get your hearing tested. Second, if people sound like they're mumbling. Now, we all have that friend or family member that does actually mumble, but if more often people sound like they're mumbling and you're having to say, what did you say? You should get your hearing tested. And a third sign that you need a hearing test is, of course, volume on the TV. If you find yourself needing the volume to be louder than other people in the room so that you can understand the TV better, you should get your hearing tested. I hope this was helpful. If you need help finding a local audiologist in your area, please leave your zip code below. I'll do my best to find a good one for you. And of course, if you want information on hearing healthcare related topics, you gotta like and follow.